Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Chrome browser is not opening, so click to start, then setting, then click to app, install app, so scroll down. This is your Chrome browser. Click to three dot and then uninstall. Click on yes for that uninstalled. Yeah, if you want to delete, so you can delete it, your data, otherwise uncheck it. When you install again newer version, then it will restore all your data. Okay, then uninstall it. It's removed. Then open the Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Then search google.com. Actually this is Google search box. Then type Chrome download. Scroll down. This is the Chrome web download. Click on download. So it will start. Then it is completed. Then click on the open file. Then click yes. Now is Chrome is downloading. Then after that, within 1 second, it will installed. After that, it will complete, and now it will start installation. After that, it will open like that. Okay, so your data is also restored. You can see this is my old data, and you can also restart your system. Okay, thank you.